In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-connect in NordVPN. If your VPN connects every time you start your computer or join a network and you prefer to control when it turns on, this quick walkthrough is for you. Auto-connect is handy for constant protection, but it can slow down initial connections, affect access to local services, or simply not fit your workflow. Let's switch it off cleanly without changing anything else. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see the map or server list. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the small gear icon to open settings. This is where NordVPN keeps all of its behavior controls. Inside settings, find the section labeled Connection. On some versions, this may be called General, but it holds the same options we need. If you're not seeing Connection, scroll a bit or check the sidebar to locate it. Within the Connection or General area, look for the Auto Connect section. You'll see a drop-down menu or a set of toggles that determine when NordVPN should connect automatically. Click that drop-down to reveal the available triggers, which typically include different network types like Wi-Fi and Ethernet. To turn Auto Connect off for all networks, deselect or uncheck every option in this list. In other words, make sure Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and any other listed network types are all unchecked. When everything is deselected, NordVPN won't automatically connect in the background. Most versions save this instantly, so you usually don't need to click a separate save button. That's it. You've disabled Auto Connect, which means the app will stay idle until you choose to connect. If you change your mind later, return to the same Auto Connect section and recheck the specific networks where you want automatic protection. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If your goal is to stop Auto Connect only on trusted home networks, consider leaving public Wi-Fi enabled and turning it off elsewhere, so you still get protection in risky places. Also, after making changes, keep an eye on the app's status indicator the next time you join a network to confirm it behaves the way you expect. And remember, you can always open the app and connect manually with a single click whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Now you're in full control of when NordVPN turns on, keeping your workflow smooth while staying secure on your own terms.